At a glance, the potential of Tewang Village, Mendawai District, Katingan District, Central Kalimantan Province. Tewang Village is one of the villages located in the Mendawai Sub-District, Katingan Regency, based on the result of the 2018 Administrative Boundary Study. The Regional Secretary of Katingan Regency. The area of the Mendawai district is around 2,392.6 square kilometers. The village Tewang Kampung is directly adjacent to the north with Perigi village in the east with the island of Knaip and Palangkaraya Regency, south of Kampung Melayu, and in the west with district with Kota Waringin Timur. The administrative area of the village of Tewang Kampung reaches 59,122 hectares, which is inhabited by approximately 595 people. The climatic conditions of the Tewang village area are tropical and rainy, 21 to 32 degrees Celsius. There are two alternative trips to the village of Tewang Kampung, namely from Palangkaraya City, the capital of Central Kalimantan Province, to Kasongan City, the capital of Katingan District, with a travel time of approximately 1.5 hours of normal travel. Continue to Karangpakahi, Kamipang Sub-District, with a travel time of approximately 1.5 hours, and then a weather journey using a Klotok for 4 hours depending on the type of transportation used. The next alternative from Palangkaraya City to Sampit City, with a travel time of approximately 5 hours drive, followed by a weather trip using a Klotok along the Mentaya River, Hantipan, and proceed with along the Katingan River with a travel time of approximately 4 hours, so that it reaches the village of Tewang Kampung. Most of the work done by the community today is as a fisherman, plantation farmer, and a small part raises fish using kegs. Tewang village residents are classified as homogeneous from upstream to the downstream. The majority of its inhabitants are Dayak tribes. In the ethnicity of the Dayak tribe who live in the village, however, this area is also inhabited by other tribes such as the Japanese, Banjar, and Madura. This group outside the Dayak tribe is usually a migrant who works for a palm oil company, which is also located in the Tewang village. There are also those who get married and settle in the village of Tewang Kampung. Tewang village is the fourth most populated village among the villages in the Mendawai Sub-District. Tewang Kampung also has a diversity of local cultural wisdom values of the Dayak tribe which need to be preserved and managed appropriately as an asset or cultural wealth of the Dayak tribe community through effort to protect the development and utilization in order to advance the national culture to the greatest extent for the prosperity of the people. In addition to this, Tewang Kampung is the third largest village of the 7 villages located in the Mandawai sub-district, which has a wealth of diverse natural resources which, if managed in a friendly and responsible manner, will become an environmentally based natural tourist object that has a superior attraction or magnet for tourists. And abroad in 1949, the national hero named Tzilik Riwut came to Tewang village to hide from the pursuit of that truth. He was protected because in Tewang village, the safest place of the village, he had ever visited for 3 months and 9 days. He hid from the invaders. After feeling safe, he was taken to Banjarmasin by using a jukung or sampan. The journey takes 7 days. It is said that when the delivery of Tzilik Riwut to Banjarmasin was hidden by being rolled into a mat by the admin and Salman, who at that time was assigned to escort him. A miracle happened when the roll of the mat which contained the Kriwut Tzilik was stabbed using a bayonet and did not hurt to the least. The Tzilik Riwut saw that the Tzilik Riwut is safe to its destination. Langkapuri Island is a small island in the area of Tewang village. This island village is located in the middle of the Katingan River that passes through the village of Tewang Kampung. Approximately 1,220 meters long with a width of approximately 300 meters. The island area is 70 hectares if seen from above through the Google Maps application with the search code for the village of Tewang Kampung, or also by drone. It will look like a ship overturned. The unique thing is that Langkapuri Island is inhabited by monkey with yellow hair and long shape, which local people often call bakara or bekantan. Around Langkapuri Island is also used by local residents to look for fish and screens by fishing nets and installing fishing nets. For now, this island is used by a timber company to tie their wood so that in the morning and evening there are many bakara or proboscis monkey to the wooden rod to find the fruit that is usually there are along between the rocks. The panorama of Langkapuri Island is indeed calming and reassuring for those who like to enjoy the atmosphere of the beach. Often in the dry season there are many seagulls flying. Often Langkapuri Island is also used by brave young people to go water skiing by being pulled by a klotok. That is the potential of the village of Tewang Kampung. Thank you.